Alright guys, so it is a new year, and what better way to start off the year than by cleaning and organizing your space. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and I pray that 2021 is a blessed and prosperous year for us all. But we're going to go ahead and hop into the video. So I started off by hand washing some dishes. We didn't really have that many, so I wanted to just go ahead and get them washed instead of putting them in the dishwasher. That way I could go ahead and put everything away. And now that the dishes are clean, I'm gonna use a little bit of dish soap and scrub the sink and make sure that I have it really clean. Now really quickly, I'm just gonna start putting the dishes away. And I'm gonna wipe down the countertops. I'm using the Mr. Clean multi-surface spray, and I'm not too picky about what I use on the countertops on a daily, but every 6 weeks or so, I do like to use a marble polish just to make sure that the countertops are staying in pristine condition. And I'm just going over the stove because we made breakfast earlier and there was grease and stuff all over it. But one of my goals for 2021 is to save for a newer stove. This one was put in the house when the previous owners actually built it, which was in 1996. So it's definitely time to get an updated one. Of course, there's nothing like lighting a candle once everything is nice and clean. So the first one I'm gonna light is Fireside from Bath and Body Works, and I'm also going to light Spiced Gingerbread, and these are just a couple that I had left over from Christmas. Now I'm gonna clean the refrigerator and the microwave, and I absolutely love the Sprayway stainless steel cleaner. It is my absolute favorite, and I've actually tried quite a few different ones. So yeah, the Sprayway one is really great. If you guys haven't tried it, definitely give it a try. So now I'm making my way to the living room, and as you guys can tell, everything is still really bare. I hadn't done any decorating since I took all the Christmas stuff down. So I just started by cleaning the coffee table because it had fingerprints on it. Whenever it's a blank canvas, Uriah takes that as his opportunity to put his little figurines on it and all of that. So had to get it clean. And this new dog bed that Piglet has, it sheds like crazy. So I'm really having to vacuum a little bit more than normal just to get up all the little fuzzies and stuff. So now I'm gonna fold up this blanket and put it away. And this is actually one of the Barefoot Dreams blankets, and I had heard so many great things about this blanket, so I wanted to try it for myself. And honestly, I'm not really sure what all the hype is about. I've had blankets from TJ Maxx that cost $20 that are just as soft, so I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna finish putting the sofa together. I've gotten a lot of questions about our new sofa, which I absolutely love. And I actually ordered the sofa through a local furniture company, but the brand is Norwalk. They do have a website. I think you can order directly through the website, so I'll link it below. And here I'm just showing you guys that I had a little bit of a stain that I needed to get out, but this sofa is actually a Krypton fabric, and it's just a really high quality fabric, and as you can tell, it just looks a little bit more high quality in my opinion than the previous sofa that we had. So I think this one's gonna hold up really well. And the Krypton fabrics are high performance fabrics, and they're made to resist and repel stains, moisture, bacteria. So yeah, it's a really great fabric. So if you're on the hunt for a new sofa, definitely look into this type of fabric. So I wanted to add this candle to the end table, but I needed to get the label off. And what I do for that is add a little bit of dish soap and water, and then I take this plastic SOS pad and I scrub it until the label comes off. And this is a really easy way to get any of your labels off from stuff that you get from TJ Maxx and Home Goods, because they always put it in like the most obvious place. So I always like to take them off, and when I have big labels like this on candles, I like for them to be taken off as well. So if you guys are interested in the plastic SOS pads, then I will link those in the description box below. Style the coffee table. I picked up a few new pieces from Home Goods. I decided to get a new tray, and I went with a round one, and I got a few different candles. I wanted to get some that were different heights just to make it a little bit more interesting, and I added this plant for a pop of color. So I definitely changed up the style of the coffee table a little bit, but I love the way that it turned out. And I'm gonna clean off the back console table against the wall. This is actually a new piece as well, so it's a little bit longer. It fills out the wall a little bit better than the previous table that we had back here. So I'm just cleaning it off. I'm also going to add a few decor pieces to it, and I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do back here, so I just shopped my home and found a few things to go up there. I'm not really crazy about these plants, but they just fill the space out really well, and it gives it a pop of color with the greenery. So I went ahead and added those, and I picked those up from TJ Maxx a few years ago. To clean the floors in the living room, so I'm using the Bissell Spin Wave, and this is really nice because it's like a buffer, but you just press a little lever and it sprays out the solution. So I really have been enjoying it. I love to use it on the hardwood floors. To the next day, I really wanted to clean and organize my office space, so I started off by cleaning the desk because I had a lot of mail and different things on top, so I needed to clear that off. And also this drawer, I just had a lot of different stuff in here and it was cluttered, so I really wanted to get it cleared and organized. take everything off the desk and I'm gonna spray it with a multi-surface spray and just wipe it down really good. And this desk, I think I got it, I'm pretty sure it's from Z Gallery. They do also have it available on Overstock, so I will link that in the description box if you guys want to check it out. And now that everything is wiped down and cleaned, I'm gonna just start putting everything back on the desk. And also, if you're wondering about the chair, I picked that up from Home Goods a few years ago, like literally right when we moved into this house. So I don't have a link for it, but I might be able to find something similar on Overstock, because I have seen similar chairs like this. So if I can find something similar, I'll definitely link it below. But now I'm just gonna clean this little area. I kind of had stuff kind of scattered everywhere over here, so I just needed to get it nice and organized. Storage in this space just because I have to keep a lot of different documents for tax purposes, and I also have my camera equipment. So I have these drawers that I got several years ago. They're from IKEA. They're called the Alex drawers. I'm pretty sure they still have them, but I love these for storage, and I'm just going through each drawer making sure that everything that's in there is supposed to be in there. So just doing a little bit of decluttering as well. And then all the stuff that I have in the corner is also tax documents. So yeah, I know it doesn't look like aesthetically pleasing, but it's just stuff that I have to keep. So now I'm just wiping down the drawers. Off the top of the fireplace because it's been quite a while since I've cleaned it. So I'm just gonna spray the multi-surface spray all over, and I'm using a microfiber towel. You guys know that I love to use these for cleaning, so I will have a link below for the bulk ones that I like to buy. I like to buy them in bulk just so that I can have a lot of different ones when I'm cleaning, and I can exchange them out and all of that. And now I'm gonna go over the floors with the vacuum. And the rug, I'm pretty sure it's from Overstock, and the white chairs that I have in front of the desk, I believe those are also an Overstock find. I got them years ago when we lived in our previous house, so if I can find them, I will link them in the description box below. And also on this day, I got my new pillowcase covers, and I picked these up from Etsy, and I absolutely love the quality. The ones that kind of look like cheetah print, I decided to add to the sofa. I thought they went really well with the overall color scheme that we currently have going on. And I'm really gonna start trying to buy more pillow inserts just because I have so many different pillows and they're kind of hard to store. So I've really just been decluttering them, and I'm just gonna start buying the covers because obviously the covers are a lot easier to store. And I really love the way that they look on the sofa. The overall color scheme is very clean and neutral, which is really calming for me. But yeah, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this clean with me. If you did, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And as always, I will talk to you all in the next one. Bye.